I'm Andrew Mears and I'm the CEO of SwitchDin. I founded SwitchDin in 2014 to help integrate and organise the world's energy resources to create a cleaner, smarter electricity system. SwitchDin is an energy software company that bridges the gaps between traditional utilities, equipment manufacturers, and the rapidly growing cohort of people who are installing rooftop solar and batteries, who both produce and consume energy. There are enormous changes underway in the energy systems around the world as the share of renewable energy grows. One of the key characteristics of this energy transition is a move away from the centrally located and planned generation to an abundance of small-scale, distributed and largely uncoordinated systems such as rooftop solar. Nowhere in the world is the uptake of solar PV happening faster than in Australia, where we're breaking installation records almost every month, with over 2.5 million rooftop systems installed around the country. This is great news, but it also has its challenges. The fact is that unmitigated growth of unmanaged solar will increase the risk of grid problems. Right now, the primary tools that network companies have to address this problem is to impose limits on the solar energy production from individual systems. This is not a good outcome for solar system owners, the electricity grid, or the environment. For us, it's about making customer assets flexible. We manage solar, batteries, EVs, and key loads such as air conditioning, heat pumps, hot water. We make them flexible so they can participate in providing network services and energy market benefits. For some customers, to help them connect, we use a gateway device. We call it a droplet. We build into here all the protocols and algorithms required to connect and optimize solar, batteries and key loads to help the customer and to help the electricity grid. The droplet then connects securely with our cloud platform, which we call StormCloud. Our revenue model consists of an upfront charge for the cost of the droplet, plus a recurring subscription for the services offered through StormCloud. These services are tiered depending on the level of functionality desired by the customer, the end user, or the utility. We stack value and enable multiple subscriptions for each individual site. From the beginning, our focus has been on electricity utilities. This allows us to unlock different value streams for the consumer that go beyond simple home energy automation. We're about closing the loop for energy management across all layers of the electricity system. Our offering is flexible. It accommodates different electricity network and market conditions. And we've got significant traction. Together, we've got about 3,500 sites under orchestration in our platform, consisting of homes and businesses and front-of-meter utility systems. We're deploying now, on average, about 600 units a month. We're working with some of the largest and most demanding of the electricity distribution networks in Australia, including Horizon Power, Energy Queensland and South Australian Power Networks. These companies are tackling these new challenges proactively, and they trust SwitchDin to be able to deliver operational solutions. We're also working with 3 of the big 4 electricity retailers in Australia, helping them to manage their wholesale risk and enable new partnerships with customers as part of the country's energy future. In 2018, we launched in Europe inside the first battery systems for rooftop solar leader Qcells, who have since become a minority investor in SwitchDin. They are one of 30 or more equipment manufacturers whose devices we work with to enable the energy systems of tomorrow. We've got a great team, headed up by Grant Trainer, our CTO, with more than 15 years of experience in the aerospace sector, building high-performance distributed computing systems. Our COO, Mark Sheldon, was formerly COO for Sonnen here in Australia. He brings a wealth of experience and knowledge about how to grow a business like ours. And me, Andrew Mears. I've got more than 25 years experience in the renewables energy sector, working all around the world in 15 key markets building distributed energy services. It's great to be part of the SET 2020 team. We're so excited about this initiative, and it's a key step for us. As we expand globally, having these partnerships will be crucial.